Welcome to the video on TinyLink, a secure and custom URL shortener with built-in analytics. TinyLink allows you to make your long URL short, sweet, and trackable. Let's dive into the core capabilities of TinyLink. We designed the platform to be instant and flexible for users. First is our instant shortening engine. Users can paste any long, complex URL, and our system immediately compresses it into a clean, 6-character code that is easy to share. But we didn't stop there. We know branding matters, so we built custom aliases. Instead of a random string, users can create personalized links, like tinylink.com/my-portfolio, making their links memorable and professional. Finally, for the mobile-first world, every single link automatically generates a smart QR code. This allows users to bridge the gap between physical print and digital content instantly. Once a link is created, TinyLink transforms into a powerful management tool. This is where our user dashboard comes in. We provide real-time analytics. Every time someone clicks a link, our system logs it instantly. Users can log in to their private dashboard and see exactly how many times their links have been accessed, giving them tangible data on their audience's engagement. And underpinning all of this is our robust security architecture. We use industry-standard password hashing and session management to ensure that a user's data and their links remain private and protected from unauthorized access. To build TinyLink, we chose the industry-standard LAMP stack because of its stability and performance. We broke the application down into 4 distinct layers. First, the front end. We built the user interface using HTML5 and CSS3, utilizing custom CSS gradients to give it that modern glassmorphism look. We also used JavaScript with the Fetch API to handle data asynchronously, allowing the page to update without needing to refresh. Second, the backend. For our logic, we used native PHP. We avoided heavy frameworks to keep the app lightweight and fast. We structured our code in an object-oriented style to keep it clean and modular. Third, the database. We used MySQL to store our data. It is a relational database, which is perfect for us because we need to link every single URL strictly to the user ID that created it. And finally, the server. We are running on Apache. The critical component here is our DUNA-HT-access configuration file. This is the traffic controller that intercepts every user request and routes it to the correct PHP script. Now let's look at the most critical part of our system, the redirection logic. This is the magic that turns a short link into a destination. It starts when a user visits a link, like tinylink.com/ABC. Normally, the server would look for a folder named ABC and give a 404 error. Instead, our dual-fol HT access file intercepts this request. It uses a rewrite rule to silently transform that URL into redirect.php code equals ABC behind the scenes. This passes control to our PHP worker script. The script takes that code, queries the MySQL database to find the matching long URL, and, crucially, logs the click for our analytics. Finally, it uses a PHP header function to instantly forward the user to their final destination. To the user, this happens in milliseconds. To keep user data safe, we employ strong security measures. This includes password hashing using bcrypt, prepared statements to prevent SQL injection, and robust session management. User data is stored in 2 main tables, the users table and the URLs table. A foreign key relationship connects the 2 tables, linking shortened URLs back to the respective user. Welcome to TinyLink, your modern solution for secure URL management. Let's jump right in and set up an account by clicking Get Started on the homepage. Here we are on the Registration Secure portal. Signing up is completely free and takes less than a minute. You'll start by entering a valid email address and choosing a username. Our system instantly validates these inputs to ensure your identity is unique on the platform. Next, you'll set your password. We take security seriously here. Behind the scenes, TinyLink uses industry-standard bcrypt encryption. This means your credentials are hashed and never stored as plain text, keeping your account safe from the moment you type it in. Once you've filled everything out, just hit the Register button. The backend initializes your session and creates your profile in the database, automatically assigning you to our free tier. This gives you immediate access to create up to 50 links right away, with no credit card required. Now that you're registered, let's log in. Enter the credentials you just created. The system verifies your session securely, ensuring only you have access to your data. Click Login, and you are immediately transported to your personal dashboard, your command center for all your links and analytics. This is where the magic happens. We are going to test the core link shortener. The interface is designed to be distraction-free. First, go ahead and paste your long, complicated URL into the main input field. Whether it's a deep link to a product page or a long Google Drive document, the system accepts valid URLs of any length. Now look at the custom aliases field below. This is one of our premium features available to all users. Instead of settling for a random, hard-to-remember string of characters, you have the power to define your own identity. Type a custom name, like My Demo Test. This not only looks professional, but increases trust and click-through rates for your audience. Once you are ready, hit the magic shorten button. In the background, our server validates the URL and ensures your custom alias is unique in the database. Boom! There it is. The result card appears instantly with a smooth animation. You can copy the new, branded link to your clipboard with just a single click. But we don't stop at just text links. Let's check out the QR code feature. By clicking this icon, we trigger a real-time generation process. The system fetches a high-resolution QR code specifically for this link. This bridges the gap between digital and physical marketing, perfect for flyers, business cards, or packaging. Finally, the moment of truth. Let's prove it works. We'll open a brand new browser tab and paste our custom TinyLink. Watch how fast this is. As soon as we hit enter, the server resolves the alias and redirects us instantly to the original destination. It's fast, reliable, and exactly the seamless experience your users expect. To manage your account, start by opening the user menu and selecting Plans and Billing. Here, you can check your current subscription tier. If you need more link capacity, you can upgrade to Pro instantly from this screen. Next, navigate to Account Settings. This is your security control center. If you ever need to update your credentials, you can use the Change Password form here. Our system encrypts your new password immediately to keep your account secure. Now let's head back to the dashboard to view your performance. At the top, you'll see your total clicks and links created metrics. To view a specific link's details, just locate it in the list. Click the QR icon to reveal the high-resolution code generated for that URL. Managing the link is just as easy. Click the copy button to grab the URL for sharing. When a campaign is finished, simply click the trash icon to delete the link. This instantly removes it from your analytics to keep your workspace clean. With your links managed, we can log out and return to the landing page. Simple, secure, and efficient. This video covers the custom 404 error handler and API integration. We implemented a custom handler for 404 not found errors, using redirect.php to safely redirect users with bad shortcodes. Additionally, connecting the new API to the front end was a key learning, utilizing the JavaScript fetch method for asynchronous data transfer. To wrap up, TinyLink is live and fully functional. Our platform is secure, scalable, and built for everyone, from personal projects to large enterprises. We value your feedback and are open to new collaborations as we grow.